In this video, we listed the 5 best dash cams on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. 3-camera car DVR dash cam. The Oleast car DVR is a comprehensive surveillance system designed for vehicle monitoring. Featuring 3 lenses, front plus interior plus rear, it captures video in resolutions including 1080p and supports formats like AVI. Key features include loop cycle recording for seamless video capture, night vision capability, and audio recording. It operates on a corded electric power source with a built-in screen for real-time monitoring. Additional functionalities encompass G-sensor for impact detection, digital zoom, motion detection, and support for SD, MMC cards. The DVR also offers special features such as anti-surge voltage impact resistance, anti-fog capabilities, and real-time surveillance. It supports multiple languages for OSD and interfaces including AV-in, USB 2.0, and microSD, TF for versatile connectivity. The device is assembled in a portable mode and utilizes a General Plus chipset for efficient performance, making it a robust choice for automotive security needs. Number 2. Podofo 10.26-inch dash cam. The Podofo car DVR and rear view monitor is a feature-rich device designed for automotive use, integrating advanced functionalities to enhance driving safety and convenience. It boasts a high-resolution IPS display measuring 9.88 inches with a 4:3 screen ratio, supporting touch controls for intuitive operation. This model includes a front camera for HD video recording at 1920x 1080p resolution, with a GC4653 imaging sensor ensuring clarity. Key features encompass loop cycle and 24-hour parking recording, super night vision, and a built-in screen for real-time monitoring. It supports wireless connectivity via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, enabling features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, complemented by FM transmission for enhanced audio playback. The unit is powered via a corded electric source and supports external memory up to 128 GB via Class 6 memory cards. Additional attributes include a waterproof rating of IP69, G-sensor functionality, and compatibility with various HD cameras, making it a versatile option for modern vehicle integration and safety enhancement. Number 3. 70mm dual-channel dash cam. The 70mm dash cam 4K A810 is a cutting-edge vehicle surveillance device designed to deliver superior image quality and advanced functionality. Featuring a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, it excels in low-light conditions, capturing detailed footage with its 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. It includes HDR dual-channel recording, combining front 4K HDR and rear 1080p HDR for comprehensive road coverage. Smart features like AI motion detection, 24-hour parking surveillance, and ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, ensure enhanced safety and convenience. The camera supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing real-time footage viewing and download via the 70mm mobile app. Additional capabilities such as time-lapse recording and compatibility with up to 256 GB memory cards further enhance its utility, making it a robust choice for vehicle monitoring and safety. Number 4. Vantrue E3 Dash Cam. The Vantrue 3-channel car DVR is a comprehensive surveillance system designed for optimal protection and convenience on the road. Featuring a robust Novatec dual chip, it records front cabin and rear views simultaneously at 1944p plus 1080p plus 1080p at 30 fps, ensuring complete coverage to safeguard against traffic disputes and fraud. Key features include infrared night vision with 4 LED lights for clear footage in low light, WDR and HDR technologies for balanced light exposure, and a built-in GPS module for real-time route tracking and speed recording. It supports dual recording, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy file transfer and live viewing via a dedicated app, and hands-free voice control in multiple languages. The dashcam also offers 24/7 parking mode with motion detection and G-sensor functionality, loop recording, and a durable supercapacitor that endures extreme temperatures. With a user-friendly installation process and expandable memory up to 512 GB, it's equipped for reliable performance and extended use, backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support. Number 5. 70mm Rearview S500 Dash Cam. The 70mm Rearview Dash Cam S500 features a comprehensive array of specifications designed for enhanced vehicle surveillance and safety. Equipped with a 9.35-inch full-laminated touch screen, it offers a wide field of view and intuitive touch gestures for ease of operation. Powered by a Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor, it captures stunning 3K resolution footage, particularly optimized for nighttime visibility through the 70mm Night Owl Vision algorithm. Dual-channel HDR recording ensures continuous loop recording without storage concerns, while features like dual 138° FOV lenses, voice control, and 24-hour parking surveillance add further utility. The dashcam's durable supercapacitor solution enhances reliability in extreme weather conditions, making it a robust choice for extended use on the road.